Hi everyone. Our project is ShengGuanTu. It's a RPG role-play game, and I'm Jacqueline here. I'm Chen Xing, and this is Peiyang, and this is Yiding, and this is Caroline, and T2 here. We have the group of 5. And our game is going to be a multiplayer RPG strategy 3D game based on iOS, and the background will be based on real history. It's going to be a basic game. So now I will introduce the background of this.
Very basic.
What is the meaning of that? Does it have a...
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm expecting.
Okay.
So ShengGuanTu is a board game originated from it's kind of ladder game from Ming Dynasty about 600 years ago, and it's like a promotion game. So you can you are actually starting from here, and then you're doing it with the dice, and then so you can go up until to the middle and you win the game. So these are all the bureaucratic establishment in Qing Dynasty.
So this looks like a snake. Simplified as a complicated version of snakes and layers.
Yeah, kind of like that, really complicated. And so from our RPG game was based on just one dynasty. It's Qing Dynasty, and the emperor is Kangxi. And our game will start from 1661 to 1772, and which is the whole reign period of Kangxi Emperor. The emperor look like the left. And then Kangxi's reign of 61 years makes him the longest reigning Chinese emperor in history, and also one of the longest reigning rulers in the world. And Kangxi is considered one of China's greatest emperor. And he suppressed the revolt of the 3 feudatories, and he forced the kingdom of Tang in Taiwan to submit to Qing rule, and he blocked Tsarist Russia on the Amur River and expanded the whole empire in the northwest. And as we can see on the right, on the left, this is the dictionary of all Chinese words, and he finished the compilation of it. So these were all the background about our game. So our game was based on the real history of this thing. And so for a feature, first of all, the players can choose their identity. So players can choose ethnicity, can choose your outer appearance, you can be female, male, and different looks. And also you can choose your occupation. We're going to have pharmacists, and soldiers, and maid of honor, bodyguard, pawn, and also merchant. And also, as I said before, this game is based on real history, so it's like a simulation of the life in Qing Dynasty. For example, if you choose your occupation to be a general, you can fight with Kangxi together and like conquer the other parts of countries. That, and if you are a magistrate, and you can protect your local residents and try to prosper the local economy, and also you can also work like an FBI to like solve some mysterious cases in the local area, and if you do it pretty good, you're going to promote. And the third thing is there's a multi ways to promote, like since this game is a multiplayer game, so you're going to play with other players, so you can be either co-op together or also compete just to, for winning, it's just who promote the fastest and who win. And also another thing is that our map is going to be based on the whole China map in Qing Dynasty. So we'll have over 50 maps, so like kind of like over 50 areas of cities. And also this game we're going to have some educational meaning, because all of the tactics we apply in this game comes from the definitive military tactics work think everyone know that the name is the Autosport. Yeah, it's a really famous military tactics book. So we're going to apply everything to that in this game. So it's going to be exciting. So this is what China looks like now, and this is what we look like in China. And it's much larger, so our game will go to be based on this. So our game will start from every player will start from a civilian, and then you can choose from the map which village you want to be born, and then you're going to be given a talent drawing thing. So it's a mini game, so you can pick which occupation you want to be. But if you lose the game, then the system will assign you one. So if you but you can still change your occupation later. And also for each player we have reputation, literacy, strength, capability as their attributes, and also we'll have ability and stamina. So for victory goal, different occupations have different victory goal. So if you're an officer, you're working for the government, then your final goal is going to be it's the same thing as prime minister now. Also for soldiers, you're going to be grand marshal and pharmacist, just to be royal pharmacist, work for the emperor. And then for merchant, you're going to have just amass as much wealth as you can. And then for mom, just try to make everybody live you and have as much followers as you can. And for maid of honor, your aim is to be the queen. And for bodyguard, just to be her bodyguard. And all these different occupations can work together, can form your own party, and to prosper under the world. And this is our pipeline working. So first we just come out our whole mechanic system of this game, and then we will cut to specific one, like cut to specific quests and small maps, and then C2 and Caroline will do the concept art, and then we fight together, we'll try to model them together, and then we will script it at the same time, and then debug it when testing and modeling, and then we'll combine everything together in Unity. And then we'll probably have a version come out next presentation. And for the concept art, we do it in Illustrator and Photoshop. And for scripting, I use it we use C# and then we do it in model development. And also for, the other things are all finished in Unity. And because currently I'm having trouble logging in the RCOS for a couple of weeks, and they haven't solved the problem yet, so we have a web page here, just temporary, to show our work. So this is our game info, and this is some of the strategy here to show how you start. And for the concept art, this is all we have until now. We made it all by ourselves, and this probably be one of the villages the player will be born. And there's some class here, and this is street view. On this picture we did draw it. It's from Qing Dynasty, and this is the whole map of a big city. And then this is a corner of Beijing. And for the characters, we only have a version here, but yeah, our style will be based on this, and we're going to model all these characters. And we have done some modeling until now. And this is the doors, the buildings in Beijing, and we haven't textured it yet. And this is a village from Jiangnan, another part of China. I haven't finished everything yet, but it will take a lot of time on modeling. this is all done to now. Thank you. All right. Any questions?
Yeah, if you have questions about entering into the observatory, please talk to me or talk to Robert or any of the people. We will try to help you with this.
Yeah.
We'll put it in there.
Yeah, thank you. Any questions?
So, just as like a games and computer science dual major, having like actually like finished projects and stuff. One, this is like a fairly large scope project. So, with your pipeline where you combine everything in Unity again, I think that might end up giving you some problems when you get to that stage, because you realize things don't work that well together, and it'll kind of be messy. So what I recommend is start with one of those things in Unity, and then as people get stuff done, pull it into Unity, and just keep on building on top of that, because that will get everyone communicating better, and it will just generally, you will see the product as it develops, as opposed to hoping that everything works and then see whether or not it works.
Yeah, we've tested like the models, but I actually combined the version, but there's some problems as he said.
Yeah.
But yeah, because like if I move the door, the roof will move. Yeah, there's some problems that we're still fixing that.
Yeah, so just trying to get like as people get stuff done, even incrementally, like if someone has like a rough version, like a non-textured version, just get it into Unity, see if it works before they start texturing it, stuff like that. That'll help with just workflow.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Any other questions? Yeah.
This would be something that you could play online without knowing anybody, would automatically.
Sorry, thank you.
Would we just be able to go on and it would automatically connect us to other people to play, or would we have to know everybody and want to play with them? This might have been answered before.
So you mean playing it online?
Yeah, just go on and it automatically chooses random strangers.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, you can choose different maps. So in the same map, you can see everybody there.
Oh, this would be something. How many people would be playing this at once?
So about our estimation is like 500 people same time on the map. We will try our best to make it, but it will take a long time to prepare. So other people play on other maps, but yeah.
So this is an MMO kind of thing. For some reason, that's probably on the text.
Yeah.
Just so you're sort of aware, the scope of what you're trying to achieve is massive compared to a 5-person team. Just like, you might want to try to pare down what game mechanics you have into a smaller, like discrete. Just like if you want to focus on like being a pharmacist or being in general, trying to build those all together in such a large system. I mean, it's definitely doable, but in the time frame that you have, in the number of people that you have,
Yeah.
you definitely hit some.
That's a good
hefty
suggestion, I
walls.
think. Yeah, instead of having 5, try with 2 and see if that 2 works, then you can expand.
And like Ronnie said, just like start off with a core game mechanic that is playable and like works, and then from that you can build in like new professions or new territories, and that gives you something to work off of and gets you rolling.
Yeah, I haven't made it clear. So what I said about is our long-term goal for 2 years. And what we're going to do by the end of summer is to only have one occupation, and only 4 people can play at the same time, and we're going to have only 2 maps.
Okay.
That's what we're going to do on the summer. Yeah. And thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.